Okay, I'm going to try to do a quick little demo of my push button start. This is the fob right here. It has a lock and an unlock button. A quick hit of the unlock opens my driver's door. I've got shaved doors. Hold down the unlock, it opens the passenger door. Hold down the lock and it opens my trunk, and the quick of the lock doesn't do anything. And it also has the push button start, and the way it's set up, you can have this thing be automatic or manual. On manual, you hit the unlock to enable it so that you can start the car. And of course, in my case, the way I've got it set up, if I do that, that would also open my driver's door. So anyway, I use it in automatic. And of course, hitting the lock would lock it up. And I've got two of these, and you can have them each one automatic and one manual if you want to. Let's see if I can get my door to open here. Kind of having to learn how long a press it really takes. Now I get in the car, you can see that the button is on green, which means it's deactivated from a lock state. And the distance, it actually is quite sensitive. I had it where it would turn the button on at 25 feet away from the car. You can cut the antenna and it will shorten that. Now I've got it down to about 8 feet from the car. Having a top up, of course, makes a difference on this convertible. One press on this button puts it in accessory mode. Two presses puts it in another accessory mode. You can hear that coming on. I just forget what the difference is between the two. Okay, so to start it, you put your foot on the brake, push the button in, and it starts. So now to stop it, I hold the foot brake down, push your button in and hold it, and that shuts it off. The start deal around it here, I had that machined, and I then painted it so that it looked like the stock marker. And anyway, that's what I've got.